Hey guys, Got Level here, and today we're gonna be talking about Twitch's new IRL categories and tags. Tags are a thing now. So I believe a couple of months ago, Twitch announced that they were getting rid of communities and adding tags, but also the IRL section would no longer be just the IRL section. There would be a bunch of new sections to distinguish all the multiple activities that were happening inside the IRL section. I remember Soda Poppin talking about this and saying that he would like a way to filter the IRL section and to watch people traveling, people outdoors, but instead every time he was scrolling, he would have to scroll past a lot of ASMR streams, for example.
Dude, the ASMR section needs its own section, or you need a way to filter it out. Because I like going through the IRL section and finding, you know, those like, there's just some funny shit there. There really is. Especially when you get down to like the 100 viewer range. But it's like, why do I have to ignore like half of these streams because they're ASMR? Like, there is no reason for me to ever join those. I do not, I get that people like it, that's fine. But why do I have to like, I want to ignore it. I don't care for ASMR. I don't. But why is it in the IRL? The IRL should not be half ASMR.
Of course, he wasn't the one to complain about this, so Twitch made it a thing. Now, there is no more vague IRL section. We actually have a specific section for each activity. I didn't get a lot of information from Twitch themselves. Polygon actually wrote an article about this, and this is where we got more information than Twitch. I believe Twitch has a problem, like this is for another video, but I believe Twitch has a problem with their vlog and how they put out information. It's always a treasure hunt to find specific information on Twitch in their like new features. So anyways, we're gonna go through the Polygon article. So here's the article. The title is Twitch is ditching IRL label, introducing distinct categories for ASMR, vlogging, and more. And here it says IRL is dead, long live IRL. So now they introduce the article. They talk about a bunch of stuff that Twitch has said in the past about why they're doing the different categories. But this is what is interesting here. These are the new categories you're gonna get if you are a live streamer. So let's start with art. For all the artists creating paintings, illustrations, animation, comics, photography, and more, whether you're using digital or traditional methods or techniques. So this is pretty easy. If you're drawing or creating any type of art, whether it's digital or traditional, this is where you would be streaming. Hobbies and crafts. Use this category when you are crafting real-world objects or working on DIY projects, including making costumes, sewing, sculpture, Lego, woodwork, metalwork, and more. So this is something that we used to see in the creative. Oh, I just realized that I didn't say that the creative section was being part of those categories. Basically, it's IRL and creative that will like spawn all those multiple categories. Food and drink, from cooking to eating and everything in between. This category is for anything related to the creation, culture, or consumption of food and drinks. Personally, I'm more of a eating on stream than creating or cooking on stream, but I do understand why they have to put everything in the same. I don't want them to create a bunch of subcategories because that would just get too complicated. But yeah, if you have your own cooking show and if you just like to go out in restaurants and film yourself, you're all gonna be streaming under the same category. Music and performing arts. Use this category when you are dancing, singing, composing music, playing an instrument, and more. So I've streamed on this category before, not this one, but like on the music category where I was creating music live. And yeah, we used to use the music category, so now it's gonna be this one. Now if you're thinking about what if I'm playing Just Dance, well, if you're playing Just Dance, then you are playing a game. You just need to put the name of the game. I'm guessing when they're referring to dancing, it's people who just put on some music and just dance on stream. Beauty and body art. Use this category when you're streaming makeup, skincare, body painting, tattooing, and more. This one kind of surprises me because of the tattooing. I remember like the old TOS was pretty clear about not being able to do tattoos on stream because it was considered kind of like a medical procedure and it involves blood and all that. But apparently it's okay now. So I wonder if photo shoots are allowed now, because photo shoot used to be against TOS back in the days. But yeah, body painting, makeup, and all that. I know a lot of people who just watch makeup tutorial, well, not tutorials, but makeup streams, this will be pretty interesting. Science and technology. Use this category when you are streaming activities like software development, game design, science experiments, engineering, or robotics. So I made a video on how I created a robot arm for my stream that would react to chat. And I also have like a bubble machine and disco lights that react to chat, to alerts. This time, I didn't make them on stream because honestly I didn't know which category I would stream them on, but now there is a specific category for this and it's pretty awesome. Just chatting. This category is for conversation between streamers and viewers, like when you're warming up at the start of the stream, doing Q&As or live vlogging. Now this one I use all the time. I used to just go IRL and for 1 hour I would chat with you guys and then I would start playing the game, and even sometimes my whole stream would be just chatting. So I like it. It's very specific. It's pretty cool. Travel and outdoors. Whether exploring a new city or hanging out in your hometown, this category covers all your walking and talking needs. So if you guys watch my stream, you know that I walk around Paris a lot. I've shown the Eiffel Tower many times. I did some traveling too. When I went to Italy, I climbed a live volcano on stream, and it's pretty cool that now they have a specific category for that. Sports and fitness. From team sports to training solo, this category includes everything you do in a gym and more. So for the people either working out in a gym or at home, this category is for you, but it also includes sports, group sports or solo sports, or just normal training. Tabletop RPGs. Finally, a place to stream all the tabletop RPGs you love. I don't play tabletop RPGs, so I can't really give a bunch of examples. I'm guessing D&D is one of them. People used to stream this either on the IRL section or on gaming talk show, but now they have a specific category for it. And even more specific, talk shows and podcasts. This category name gets an update for all the podcasters out there. And finally, ASMR, a centralized place for ASMR content. ASMR. So in a way, I guess Soda Poppin's dream came true. Now let's briefly talk about tags. I'm not really interested in tags. All I know is that communities are gone. No more communities, but now we have tags. So just like you used to do with the community thing, you just go to your dashboard, and over here you have title, go live notification, category, and then tags. So when you click on it, it gives you suggestions like let's play, blind playthrough, solos, role play, and then it shows you all of the tags, which is pretty cool. If you go on Twitch's Twitter page, someone in the comments actually linked a full list of all the tags. There we go, here and here. I will put the links in the description. So something they said about the tags is that they will appear. Not only people can filter the content that they want to browse by tags, but also the tags will appear near your stream title and at all times, every time your stream is viewed on Twitch. And as for my opinion on those changes, they're good. I like them. Honestly, I really like them, especially when it comes to creative, music, podcast, and IRL. Those really needed to be separate things. They really needed those subcategories. And overall, I think it's gonna be a better experience for the viewers. No more scrolling past a bunch of stuff that you're not interested in to find finally a couple of streams that you like. Now you can not only filter by tags, but on top of that, you have specific categories for it. So all of this went live today. My assumption is that a lot of those categories will have a bunch of views today. So if you stream IRL, please enter your tags, stream under the right category. Today is the day that you need to kind of ride the wave, because people will be curious and will be clicking on all those categories. And those were pretty much the highlights of what's happening. I'll put some links in the description so you can read the article about it and the Twitch official post. I'm gonna put some social media right here in the meantime. And if you guys are looking for overlays to make your streams look dope, you can go to gumroad.com/gallevel. If you haven't installed Streamlabs OBS yet, because I know most of you guys are streamers, if you haven't started streaming yet, or if you're using another program, consider downloading Streamlabs OBS. If you download from the link down in the description, I'm getting a little bit of money. Charity is also getting a little bit of money, so please consider it. But I have to thank you so much for watching. The support has been amazing lately. And thank you guys so much for making this content creating life a possibility for me. I will see you guys next time. Thank you again for watching. Get Level out.